hello everyone. Now let's look at our question 39. There are some natural numbers n that certify 2 to the n minus n is a multiplier of 3, and 3 to the n minus n is a multiplier of 5, and 5 to the n minus n is a multiplier of 2. So let's transfer this word into math language first. It means 2 to the n mod 3, the remainder is n. And 3 to the n mod 5, the remainder is n. And also 5 to the n mod 2, the remainder is also n. Now let's name it equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So firstly, let's look at 5 to the n. So remember 5 to the n, the last digit should also be 5. Which means since 5 to the n ends with 5, so n mod 2, the remainder should be 1. Which means n is a kind of odd number. So now let's look at the equation 1. We put it into the equation 1, we can find, since n is an odd number, which means n mod 3 equals to 2 to the n. Remember, n is an odd number, so 2 to the n should be 8 something. Mod 3, the remainder is also 2, right? So from that, we can list the two things. So n mod 2, the remainder is 1. Because n is an odd number. And from this equation, we know n mod 3, the remainder is 2. So we combine with these two equations, we can find n mod 6, the remainder should be 5. So it's a very good conclusion, because we can use this conclusion, put it into the equation 2. We can also find out the answer. So 3 to the n, the remainder should be 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, mod 5, right? 3, 4, 2, 1. It's repeat as a period. So let's list all the things. So we check the possible value of n. N can be 5, 11, 17, 23, 29, and blah, blah, blah. If mod 5, let's compare with 3 to the n mod 5 and n mod 5. You can see, yeah, we need to find this 3 to the n minus n, the remainder is 0. So which means we need the n mod 5 and the 3 to the n mod 5, the remainder is same. Then we can find out the smallest possible value of n is 47. So hence the smallest number n is 47. Yeah, also you can list all things to find out 2 to the n mod 3 and 3 to the n mod 5 and 5 to the n mod 2 to find out the pattern, and maybe you list a big table and you find out which kind of number meet these conditions, and you can also find out the smallest possible number is 47.